Mobi Akwaba at the bar a porcupine stand here on YouTube with Obed Oba. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to enjoy the amazing content here on this very platform. We're gonna have a convo. Kabedin komo at the Afa Kwasi Asante koroko. Somehow do I also ewa Asante koroko aswe no. And yaji eja ye ba be kan ho asem on this very channel. Nyame adoma this weekend. Kwasi Asante koroko bought Ghana Premier League game against club by a friend Karela United. You and I know say Ghana Premier League need take shape. It take shape. The second round of the Ghana Premier League and a born this weekend. Now a win for Kwasi Asante koroko. Ebe kipu the title hopes no. Ebe kipu no osropa. Ebe ma trophy no. Send your kotoko eni abre epeso moje no. Ebe timi akoso. You and I remember say March day 5 and Asante koroko timbeda top of the Ghana Premier League and the screen so no. That was when our kotkona all 11 points after 5 matches and all that top. After that, Kotoko has been in the convo, the title race convo. But over the top of the Ghana Premier League, now a different story altogether. Well, this very transfer window, the IMC of Asante Koroko, led by Nana Pinkra, Kwasi put in all the necessary efforts. Say positions are near him say issue Emma Asante Koroko no. They'll do their possible best to strengthen these positions so that at the end of the day, send a match day 5. Now Kotkwetimi Fraba be that top no. The club can bounce back and take over that position so that at the end of the day, ye di Asante Koroko home koma ye nyina betimi aka esisu dua se Kotko abon homodin na we deserve so call Africa. Na okuputu up wonderful performance. That is where Asante Koroko nyina ehwe anim se beda wo yanko Asante Koroko issues no one by one and Asante Koroko officially a power abrantia your friend Micheal Sefa eho entoma de kire wiase nyina say former player of Liberty Professionals, former player of Mediema Sporting Club, and also former player of Clubber, your friend Port City FC no, wababa be joining Kwasi Asante koroko. Na utie nkomonuma yebetimi a confirm wa ma senra. Na Micheal Sefa any kotko training grounds ni nyana ne say na o secretary da ototo nyoma ama bibia kwani bene ya hwe nim se obemeki the first appearance e wa Asante koroko training grounds ene awie na oma baptize no onim se player bia ba team no mu fofora panimfo nya abotre e wo kan no mana kwaba se waba be wura team no mu nti ye hwe nim se akwaba ne bekoso ene e wo AJ Sports Complex na etimi aboa ma bibia etimi hedai akoyi wo ho wano nti ye be hwe nim se obeba na oba how the technical team, how the playing body be wo kan in nyina no. Yeah, the bro, our air channel ways because we've dedicated ourselves to a year talking only about Club FN Asante Koroko. In TBS Edumano, Eddie Aman. But I'm not here. Now, say the man himself, Isaac Minta, it's me a full training for Kwasi Asante Koroko. Last week, he to my name say, or me say all the Kotoko training session. Even after Asante Koroko officially announced, say Isaac Minta about be a player of the club no or me say all the training session Emma yet the home seminar Everton when him our platform you so but this week he is training actually say all knocking on the doors say 20-man squad Asante Koroko the ball against Clubber your friend Karela United don't forget say Kotoko ebe share 2 former players in Abrantia your friend Ajamai a friend Richard Ajamai. Sorry, Maxwell Ajamai. Akito. Kotoko Besiano. Because he plays for Karela United. At the same time, Asante Kotoko besen shia brantia. Your friend Yusuf Nuruddin Wema, cause on also a sign a contract. Eddie Ama Klaba, your friend Aye Karela. So yes, you have a very good defense when you're Fatau Munyana, Mohamed Fatau. Say Omunyana ka team no home. I share him or kwaya ombetimi. Abba, so Kotoko will need all their men up front. Well, Samson Aduku training kama. Week when you know Aduku so etimia training. Oh, one other player, I see training this week. Of which Cheba for Awuche. Surprisingly, last week Otimi by and he shared him say Akaka Krebi Nanka the recovery next year Obetimi started training. But unfortunately, Cheba for I say a year 2 training sessions are Asante Kotoko this week in went to me MPM Ewa again. Emmanuel Antwi and a Samba O'Neill and a Dash Queens and so. The news is very simple. Samba O'Neill is undergoing proper training management. Ninyani say Coach Ogum Nyabotre ewa hawa oyisu Samba and Justice Blay ewa Asante Kotoko training and right here. Infa yantimi amfa bremni say adakwaja chen komono ene ye ni deja edi ama is that a brand here a friend Samba coach emani a food training or a training the entire minute and also a free obenti Samba. It looks like say Kotoko training session 3 coach emani a food training 1.5 out of the days omani nyina gidi na enkofa how be embreno nti that is how our Kotoko technical team omo manage Samba O'Neill na wetimi remain fit the entire period for Kwasi Asante Kotoko. But the sad news is that Abrantia friend Emmanuel Antwi apeke knock ama 2 major training sessions Kwasi Asante Kotoko Emmanuel Antwi entimi anye be spotted in jersey number 10 for Kwasi Asante Kotoko. Antwi amesi training the whole of this week. I know any the sad one eba ye de air too many ye information say no ho to don kakra. Yeah. That is the news. Say no ho to don kakra. Inti ye share nim say ene ye kwaye nim ya ene de afei ena Kotoko eba be start training na. Yaba the AJ Sports Complex I share nim say enche a club no started training na yetimi the whole seminar nyina e de aba betum anim e wo channel yesu nti Antwi ho dodo ne kakra. And from the look of things, if nyame ya aduma Kotoko ne Karela no, if he's ruled out ya na ama enyo wawa, if later se game na nkasa dru ho na he's ruled out na wantimi ansi akan a ya ma enyo wawa ya ka unu se obet be catch on this very platform based on the na air koso ewa Asante Kotoko training and ye betete ho edema mo live on this particular venue enti the key players are asemo mo no Fernando Wisdom Bassi, the Nigerian international, is still missing ewa Asante Kotoko training week we my aka ene dia ye hwe nim say exactly 3:30 team ne ba be dru adakwaja ache ha na ye de dia kam nyina atimi abramo. But Bassi has been missing for 2 weeks ewa Asante Kotoko training injury aha brantie ne pa na ni nyina ensema da one other player Awuche ono so injury preventing from training in the last 2 weeks. And lastly Abrantie feni Emmanuel Antwi and here this week and Antwi ho dodo na enunti Antwi entimi nya training emfama Kwasi Asante Kotoko no the sad news free oba jate mamo enti kote de ne de aba be yemu nchiremu se mpanimfo atimi akwa no wakwakoye de kan se the surgery am successful, but the other one no Abrantie your friend Emmanuel Antwi no so de no atimi aba be bom awonso ha adwen pa na nra na nipa ba ko a edom eba Asante Kotoko training grounds eba se omo ba behwe no na ya brantie fe no Kwasi Asante na enra metimi aka se na chitafo na wa Asante koroko training grounds no na omo ndorso saa ye de no kre ka asema na omo nseda endorso what you say na nipa na ewo ho no omo so kakra but tie metimi aka suit ya de ato anim se nipa ba ko na edoma na ho nyina omo nyina ani abre na kire se obia se oba be pena hwe abrantia na efen eye Kwasi Asante eno akotko training grounds kakra na ye show mu images ye show mu scenes from Asante koroko training grounds inti kakra wo ma ye de ma no eno na kire se chitafo no ehiti pa a kire se obia se oba be hwe Kwasi Asante so wo hwe screen so a bon se ono na camera mintimi fa arrow ne entutu de entoaso na obeti ase moving forward entienra coach Ogum set up here no as usual enya dia Patrick Esiedu obe expect say Kwasi Asante eba be che the other side ama Esiedu akọ baby ya normally obetimi de wani abu akase we mo ena ewo reserve no unim say saade ni nsi nti Kwasi na over the reserve side of Asante Koroko training. Now on say yaka Samson Eduku die after say joining Asante Koroko training. Yaka Abrantia, your friend Isaac Minta die, yaka Kwame Poku die, Daniel Adete, ono die footwa ye de man ye say on weke ewa recovery. Coach Ogum system obo ewa Asante Koroko no, so we a player. Na oye full backer adia coach Ogumu perfect opa eye adia friend recovery se okọ wanimu a ekwan a obefa so asamba wachi abe defend ye cross biba obeba be clear any ade no eye na coach Ogum nani edi atire pe or expect a lot from the full backs, and that is the only thing so far about Daniel Ajete. Can recover some say so pejamu kakra to meet the demands of the job koso Asante Koroko. But away from that, the man na friend of Kwasi Asante, he was the talk of Kotoko training and ra dakwaja che penny kwahwe na enya asem keto medical dia to oni se na Micheal Sefa ni ho enti hye so say na ye hwe nim so be starting the first training ete Kwasi Asante Kotoko enti so obetimi aye ne na o chena no pa no wa make the Kotoko squad no ebe me wa kakra but news se wo ha metimi dia to anim se nyame ya adom Kwasi ada se Isaac Minta Asante Kotoko technical team the media team opportunity amoma power ne huntuma eya menyo wa Kwasi Asante Kotoko team no ebe power ne huntuma nyame ya adom Kwasi ada Daniel Ajete ono so ntuma pa no ebe koso Kwasi ada na Micheal Sefa wo mo de ne dia piece into 4 players Kwasi ada Kotoko ebe pom huntuma no Samranti, don't forget that Benjamin Tum club na pana huntuma da Kwame Poku Samson Eduku we mu nyina players Kotoko pom huntuma transfer window Kotoko for 7 players in tisa 4 ya Minta Adete Asante and Sefa Asante Kotoko enyam pom huntuma no expect say Sunday team no mpanimfo ebe pom huntuma before the game against FC Karela etimi abasoa ni nyina ye nsem efiri oba ye de to anim ti Kwasi ada make sure say wo be pie mu Baba Yara Sports Stadium na wote odo abebodom Kotoko betimi afro akoda soro. It is a possible srokoda inti brana bebo but the man I was still the show ya Kwasi Asante nwa butumu se na manfo bonabaso baby ani di akire pa na ye hwe no say ne physical ability na say na ho odin no ejina sen because clearly 29-year-old player Ghanaian player there eya na hu bebre wa akire say nimpom no ayemra na wobetimi atumrika all say team no o maye warm up no maye pre-season na at the Ura season proper about 19 matches. It is only almost started training now. Yenim se wudi agora mrika wo mo ya fit dada ne betu na nyasam ketwa. He was playing against Peter Aqua. And at some point in time, Dauda Saka so be down the side ho. La. And Saka. Any Kwasi Asante na easy. Kwasi me experience. Aye adwuma. Wo ba na adwuma ye. Eno ade. Die hu ye ne de. Na esa brantie ne ba na adwuma ye. Wamba na godie. O he sene ball no. Wo mo ba with sifa eye tackles no. On say your players ni bi wo mo ba wo me too aggressive. Enti wan hwe ya obetimi atwa obi kura. Am obi apra. But we are talking about a matured player. Our name say a sort of fighting for position. And what team no de name man no nkyere se wo ba be twitwitwa nkofo be pra obi just to make a case. Say obetimi abo e de ama Asante korokwa no a tum se ne tackles na so ani na ade ba ko a yehu ya ye bo na baso kakra a eno kura bi utum se kotokwe training coach Ogum Efred Daniel Ajete ana all ne kasa no kan sembi edigu Ajete asum from a distance ya ne ehon de ne enim se eye den eye the issue around ne recovery no on se akasa ya na ball ne kwana nima a oba eye na adwen kakra ana kire se odwene ho ana won tiase na eno na ye ho adwuma a ye pa ho ntoma ediama enti de ye ka peace no ese ade ba ko efuru oba no ese Asante koroko team no coach Ogum ene boy ne kasa won recovery but Kwasi Asante recovery de oboa Kwasi Asante recovery enya asem keto apa sene na brantie no okonanim na ball no eba akira na o chase eye abrantie fan Dauda Saka o make sure say Saka enfa counter attack enfa embe punishing no na nika keke na say the guy is ready to work I no die free oba ye de air to him based on enrade na say o make a wonderful first impression our Asante koroko training grounds eno die free oba ye de air to him live our Porcupine stand on YouTube enti speedy recovery to Emmanuel Antwi. Yeah, she na nim say obetimi aba. Lastly, koroko training pitch here that way. Say next month ukopiemu ewo AJ Sports Complex temi ye. Na so hu say training e de da ase o pitch na da ase no. Asante koroko team no a start e use no e de e ba be ye de kan say training instead of eye de da ase no. And our main one, you are training now. I can say Porcupine stand with Seobed. You be catch it out. The news says that the IMC no air bomber thing say and many ya. One more jisokra. I know videos be brought later in the evening. Actually say omu move the senior team. The akọ pitch na wa see hono. Na omako akọ start aye training wo ha. Yedi emu nsem no the air brew. Na bibia etimi akoye nti awiade kakra ebo ano ne de aba a ebi bebre na eye adakwaja ache enkomo nyame ya adoma enumre ya de akam nyina e de ba be piso e de amam live on this particular channel. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy our amazing content. Bye bye.